Good evening, all of you.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Uttara.
Sir, can I show my drawing?
Yes, please. Show your drawings. Okay, this is wonderful. Both the animals are looking great.
Thank you, sir. And this one, sir.
Okay, this also very nice. A cuckoo bird standing there. Very nice, very nice. Clouds are good. And the bridge also very good. Okay, good lines, Eiffel Tower. Very nice. Good sketch.
Thank you,
Good
sir.
sketch. Okay. So I like everyone to show your homeworks. Okay, I'm going to see from Anvita now. Okay, very nice, Anvita. Very nice. The shapes are good. The lines are very disciplined, good lines. So looking very good. Good work, good work. The shadow also you have done it. Okay, good work, Anvita. Very good.
Even I have done the ratatouille, sir.
Yeah, you have to show it. And this is a tigress also good. The sketching, shading, the shapes, everything is good. Looks good, Anvita. Very good.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. So now I'm going to see from Advik. Oh, okay, good sketch. Very, very good sketch. The lines are very good.
And then I even finished the tiger, the Kung Fu Panda one.
Okay. Okay. Good scale, shading, everything is good. The chains, okay. Beautiful shading. You've done a wonderful shading. Looks very good.
Thank you, sir.
Greenath, I'm seeing from Greenath. Okay. Here the lines are very important. Yeah. Looks like good shading has been done. The mush and all the fine details are very good. The shadow for the even for the spoon is done very well. Good work, Girinath. Very good. So do you have one more? Okay. Okay. The designs in the tigress also very good. Very good. Okay. Very good sketch. Kung Fu Panda, the leg can be little thicker, but it is all right actually. Nice shading has been done. Okay. Good work. Okay. Who else? So you've seen Anvita. So Kritika. Beautiful sketch, Kritika. So you used darker pencil. This is the effect of darker pencil. How beautiful it is. Very good, very good. Good work, Kritika. Okay. So this is also very nice. It is really interesting. The shadows are very good. Good work. Okay, so let's get started today. So today we are going to draw animals. Okay, mostly.
What animal, sir? In what way?
Let me tell. Just wait. So horse is the most favorite for all, right? So some horse and some elephants will draw. First, I'll start with the horse. First, I'm going to draw a horse, and the horse face we are going to draw, head of the horse. Then after that, I'll draw another horse, which is the whole body of the horse. So maybe a unicorn, okay, something like that. We'll draw, and did anyone? Yeah. So most of you did not join on Thursday, but monthly there will be one class sketching that you can join. So I have sent the class video also, which
Sir,
you,
that time I joined, sir.
yeah. Are you were there, Uttara, for the whole time? No, I didn't see you.
No, sir.
Okay,
Sir, I have also been for some time.
for some time. Okay. Anvita also joined, is it?
Yes, sir.
Ah, okay, okay. So that we did some nice doodles. Right. So the doodles fundamentals I showed. Then after that, I also made a video. Made a video of making this doodle. Video of making this doodle. So this video I have messaged you, right? So you can look at the video and you can maybe, if interested, you can work on it. Ah, yes, Kanda.
I still didn't show my homework.
No, you can show now. So you can work on the home. This video I have shared, I have mailed you, and I have also sent you in WhatsApp. So you can see this video of this one. So the class video also you can, that will explain about various fillers and various things actually how to generally do doodles. That I have explained in the class video. Skanda, you can show your work. See showing, replace. Okay, this is cute. The rat is looking very cute. You can see that Eiffel Tower also. Okay, good sketch, Skanda. Very good.
Thank you, sir.
I like the tail of the rat. So did you try one more? Okay. Okay, fine. No problem. So let's get into today's class. Okay. Doing very well. Skanda is singing. You can mute Skanda. Okay, I'll mute. Fine. So today is class 2, right? So we have totally 8 classes. The different things we are going to learn. Class 2, let's do horse. But I wanted you to do the uniform lines, but no one showed me. So these uniform lines for a page.
Sir,
Yes, Putra.
now you're drawing the horse, sir.
What is it?
Now you're drawing a horse, sir.
You are drawing the horse.
While you're drawing, we can also draw the
Yeah,
horse.
you also. Yeah. You also can draw. But in the last homework, so I said one more thing. So drawing these uniform lines, right? So, but no one did it. I was telling, right? We have to draw these uniform lines for a page. Okay, so you can take it for the next class. So next class, when you show the homework, show this also. Okay, so these lines are very important. Practicing these lines are very important. Okay. Okay, so let's draw the horse. So with the basic shapes we can draw. That is what I keep telling. So let's draw the head of a horse. So I'm just starting to make an oval. I just made oval. There are two ovals I'm going to make it. So one for this head and another for the nose and mouth. Okay, for the nose and mouth, so I'm going to make another oval like this. near this, but it is smaller. So this is for the nose and mouth. So you have to make these two ovals with these sizes. So when you just connect these ovals, the horse head will come. So remember, I'm drawing lighter lines. Okay. So when I am sure about the shape, then only I'll make it darker. Okay, so I'll wait for you to draw this ovals properly. Then after that, I'll connect it like this. Okay, Uttara. So you need to give importance to the size and the shape. Okay. So Anvita, you have to wait actually. So when I draw those lines, only that you have to draw. You have connected both the lines. Should not do it. Uh, okay. So this line you can draw like this, but line in the top. So I'm just connecting here actually. It is going up and connecting there. So when it connects here, there is a small line happens like this. That is for the forehead. Okay, so here the connection happens like this. Okay, I'm sure about this. That's why I'm making it darker. The jaws for the horses also will be very prominent. So this, I'm just making small curve here. So now you will be able to see the head of the horse. It is so simple to do it. Okay, for the mouth. Okay, for the mouth, for the nose and mouth. So look at this. I'm making a line like this. I just made a line. So the lower part of the mouth, a small curve. So you can observe now the lower part of the mouth. I'm making like this. Look at this. So this is lower part of the mouth. For the upper part of the mouth, there is no much curves. It's already the curve is in place. That I have to just do it. So I have to do that. Then I just am adding this round, and that is for the nostrils. So I just made a line, then I made a curve, and this is for the nostrils. So just making a line around it. I just filled it and making a simple line around this and simple line around this mouth also. There is one more line. Let's make the eyes. Eyes are very simple. We already drew this forehead, something like a forehead here actually, right? But when we draw the human, how do we draw? It is very easy. For human also, the same forehead and the eyebrow line is they are same. Look at this. I'm going to draw a person here. You don't have to draw. Just so look at this. Just for a comparison, this is the forehead. Okay, and this is the nose line of a human. Okay, so this is the nose line. Look at this forehead, same forehead I'm drawing here. And here is the mouth. Here is the lower part of the mouth. Okay, just for comparison, I'm drawing. And this eyebrow. So this is the eyebrow line. So here is the eyebrow line, and the hearts also almost same. Okay. Drawing eye is a simple thing. So close to that. So I'm just drawing the eye like this. Let's do with this simple line. The simple line and the eye simple eyeball. That is all. Maybe an eyebrow line. And this eyeball, you can small highlight you can give. You can just fill it actually mostly. So the horse is a very beautiful and interesting animal to draw. So this guiding line, which are the oval I have drawn, so I'm not erasing that. So let it be there. We don't worry. But we have to complete the shape of the horse. The neck is very big and bold, strong. Um, so look at this from here. I'm just making a line, making a thin line. Look at this. The line goes like this. This for the neck. This for the neck. And second line, so I'm going to do it here. Starting from here, it is taking this shape. So it makes the neck more broader. So it is taking this shape from here. So it is making the neck more broader, bigger. So I did not make the line darker in the top because a lot of hair we are going to draw. The next immediate thing is the ears. So it's a nice leafy ears, look like a leaf. So I'm going to draw here. I'm going to make, look at this. Does it look like a leaf? So I've drawn like this actually to look like a leaf. So I'll make another line like this. So one side I'll give a shade now itself. One more ear also we can see in the other side. So that I can draw like this. This is one line. Another line also curved in the same way. So I can give some shading, maybe on the line based shading I can give. Slowly our horse is looking better. The other important thing horse has is the belt. There is uh, they have a belt around the head. If you draw the belt, then horse becomes still the look of the horse become very good. Uh, so there are rings. The belt has rings. Here is a one ring. I'm just keeping one ring here. There is a small round. That's a ring. Okay. Then so I'm having another ring here actually. Once you properly do the position of the rings, then you have to connect them with the belt. That is very easy. So today is 11, 21. So I just connect them actually. Okay. A simple line like this. Simple two lines, double lines are connected. Then the ring in the front. So another double line. So these belt go around the nose like this. So not only go around the nose, goes around the forehead also, making a belt here. So another line goes behind the ear. That also I draw. So one more thing comes to the jaw. So that also I draw. Okay, so now we have drawn all the belt lines.
Finish, sir.
Okay,
Next.
throw. We'll wait for all. And next, we need to draw the hair. So hair has a technique. Okay, so you have to observe now. So you can stop and you can observe now. So I'm going to draw the hair. Drawing, so the hair is very beautiful. Drawing the hair is very important. Properly drawing the hair is very important. So I'm going to draw a lot of yes. Look at this. So I'm making this curve, right? Um, so another line also I'm drawing. So this is one hair strand, okay? Hair strand. So then I can make different hair strand. Here I'm making one more, but this is in different direction, like this. So like this, we can keep on making the hair strands. But you can, in between, you can draw another hair strand. Look at this, and that can go behind this also. That is going to make it more interesting. So like, see this. So I'm going to make one more, but it goes below this hair. Okay, so it is very easy to make like this. Goes below that, right? So like that you can add. So here I make one more. So each can be in different directions. Okay. So in between I can add something and that can come behind this. Okay. Now we can start drawing. So like this, I'm going to complete on the whole thing. Okay. So let's do it. And it's going to be very easy. Okay. So when you complete, it's going to look very beautiful. And some horse have even very long hairs, but on average, they have the hairs like this. So I've drawn some in between hairs also. So I've not left any space. It's kind of very easy to do it. Some hair in the forehead. Okay, in the front also I can add. Few hair can go behind also a little bit. Okay, so that is all. This is how you make it. One last thing we have to do is that some hairs you can make it darker actually. Okay, some maybe some alternative hairs you can make them darker. So you can observe this. So I'm choosing one and making it darker. Then after that, I'm choosing another one, not continuous. Okay, not continuous. One or two, you can leave it. Then after that, you can make one hair strand darker. So that will give some good depth. Okay, then it will look more real. I'm not making everything darker, just kind of alternative hairs here and there. Just only few hairs I made them darker. And these horses are very beautiful. They look cute, and in some horses in the forehead, they might have some shape actually, some diamond shape, something like a diamond shape. If it is a brown or black horse, it is more beautiful. So I'm going to make a simple shape like this, a diamond shape in the forehead. Okay. So now rest of the horse, I'm going to give some shading. Slowly I'll give some shading, and one place I'll make it darker. So shading has two parts. Okay, two steps. First, make it first identify the highlight. So rest of the in the forehead there is a highlight. So that the diamond shape. Okay, apart from that, the rest all the things. Apart from the those belt also. So everything I'm going to give some light shading. So give light shading. Then after that, give dark shading. So I'm going to give some light shading to the all every. So do not give shading for the white part of the hair. Just you can give shading like this. Also in the face also. So some light shading I have given now. So step one is the light shading. Then after that, some places you have to make darker shading. Okay, some darker shading here below the neck. Here I'm doing the shading again. So in the neck, so below the jaw, so at this place I'm trying to give darker shade. And maybe this below the nose and mouth, here also I can give some darker shade. Maybe in the here also I'm trying to give darker shade above the nose. So in the real horse, even you can see the nerves and all, but we'll stop here actually. We'll make other drawings. So you can complete and show it to me.
completed, sir. Can I show?
Yeah.
1 minute.
You also don't have to hurry. Okay, Uttara. So you have done little smaller, but it is all right. Okay, all the details are good. All the details are good. Only one change is that the first line what we draw, that could be little angled. It is all right. It is looking good. Looking good. The light shading has to be still lighter actually. I like the hair. I like the neck is really good. Okay, good work, Uttara.
Sir,
Yes.
I finished drawing.
Okay. Coming up, Pakla.
Sir,
Coming. Okay. The neck முடியலையே. You have to complete the neck, right? நல்லா இருக்கு. Good shading, nicely coming up. So little bit the neck also you have to complete, finish it and show it.
okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, can I show my?
Yes, Giriya. Okay. The mouth has it is all right. It is okay. I think the mouth, the circle, what we did for the mouth, that can be little smaller, but you not worry. And after this class, you can try to make the hearts again and again. Okay. And the neck has become little smaller. You have to start the curve little below. Okay, so this curve, the lower curve, you started little above. Instead, you have to start little below. Okay. Um, See, Greenath, you can also think from this angle. Maybe look at this from this mouth to the top. So I'm just keeping my two fingers, right? So in this distance, in the middle, this is starting, right? So half of the size is I've given for the neck, right? So like that you can think about. So in this place, you have to start this curve. Then it will be good. The neck will be bigger actually, okay? Just think about that.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, that is all.
Sir, I already done my corrections.
Okay, show it. So Greenath, this portion has to be thicker actually, okay? This portion has to be thicker. Yes, Kanda's point. But horse is looking good, Skanda. Hair இருக்கு இன்னுமே கொஞ்சம் okay. பரவாயில்ல, it is good. Good work, Skanda.
sir.
Okay. Okay, so I'm seeing from Kritika. Okay, நல்லா இருக்கு Kritika. Very good. So very good. Hair வந்து நல்லா போட்டிருக்கீங்க. ஸோ இன்னுமே நிறைய ஹேர் ஸோ இன் பிட்வீன் கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சம் கேப் இருக்கு இல்லையா? ஸோ அங்கேயுமே யூ கேன் ஆட். கேப்பே விடாம பண்ணிடலாம். ஓகே, நல்லா இருக்கு. குட் ஒர்க். Okay, so I need to see from Anvita. Okay, good, good. Horse is looking really good. Hair is really good. ஓகே, நல்லா இருக்கு அன்விதா. வெரி வெரி குட். ஸோ நான் அன்விதாவுமே அந்த நெக் வந்து இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் திக்கா இருக்கணும் நெக். ஓகே, இந்த ஸ்டார்டிங் பாயிண்ட் வந்து இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் கீழே பண்ணலாம். அது ரொம்ப கர்வ் பண்ண தேவையில்லை. ஸோ நீங்க பண்ணிருக்கிற அளவுக்கு யூ டோன்ட் ஹாவ் டு கர்வ் தட் ஆக்சுவலி. ஓகே, ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் மைனர் கரெக்ஷன். அதர்வைஸ் இட் இஸ் குட். குட் ஒர்க் அன்விதா. Okay, so let's do one more, but this time I'm not going to do the shading. So I'm going to do a little quick.
Sir, I finished the horse, sir, Advik.
Advik, yes, yes. Show me Advik. Okay, very nice, very nice. Looking very good, Advik. Good work.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Okay, so let's do one more horse, but this horse is from the movie. What is that movie? From the movie, the horse name is Maximus. It's like a little cartoon like, okay. Tangled from the movie. Many might have seen that.
Yes, sir, I saw.
You saw? Okay, okay. Movie Tangled. Name of horse has a name. It's Maximus. But the horse is going to look to the other direction. So look to the right. So I'm just, but this work I'm going to make it a little fast. So this is the head, and this is the for the mouth. So we will draw no much shading. We are going to simply draw, that is all. Sketch only will do. Okay. So I'm going to connect this. This is the line I'm connecting, but in the top, so I'm going to make a bigger line like this. The top, I made a bigger line. So it is so easy to make the horse. These steps is very important. If you make this step correctly, then you get your horse very well. And this horse, the mouth is going to be opened. So we see the teeth also. So I'm drawing this line because the mouth is opened. So I'm drawing something like this. Then this is the line for the upper part of the nose and mouth. For lower also it is like this, goes like this. Then this line comes like this. In between we can draw many teeth like this. I can draw many teeth. The nostril also. It is going to give an expression. This is eye. Making this line, bottom line, and this eyeball is going to be big like this. It's going to be bigger like this. Here is the eye, so it is looking surprised. The eyebrow also we can draw like this. Okay, so that is all. Rest all the belt we have to draw. I'll make the belt and neck. Yeah, we have to draw the, okay, the head, the ear also we have to draw. Nice circle I'm drawing, curve I'm making it. The neck is so big, and so from here I'm drawing like this. From here itself, just drawing, it goes like this. The neck is so big. Let me draw this, this. So these are the ears, and I'll simply draw some hair. I can add more hair like this. Okay, belt is important. Start with the rings. Here is one ring. Here is another ring. There's two rings I made. Then I have to connect it. I have to connect it. And this belt goes around the nose, and here one more goes around. It's a cartoon-like thing. It's animated horse, and it has a good character. Okay, so complete it soon. Then we'll start drawing the unicorn, full body of the horse. So try to draw quickly. So don't worry about the mistakes. So the more you draw, your hand-eye coordination is going to become better.
Sir, I finished. Can I show?
Yeah, short.
Okay, sir.
Okay, very good. You got it right. Um, okay, looks good. More hair you can add it. Very good. The eyebrow can be separate. You don't have to mix with the other eye. This eyebrow line can be separate. It's good work. Yeah. Okay, so don't worry about the mistakes. You can just draw.
Sir,
Yes, Sudra.
can we draw the unicorn?
Yeah, we need to draw the unicorn now. So I'll wait for the others also to complete this.
Okay, sir. Sir,
Yes, Kanda.
I finished drawing.
Okay. Short. Very good. Okay. Nice. Good. So
Thank you.
like this, yeah. Don't worry. Yeah. Don't worry. Make this sketch very quick. I'm going to start the other one, unicorn. So I want you to focus more on the next sketch.
Okay, sir.
So others can show. Otherwise, we can start the. Okay, I'm seeing from Kritika. Okay, good, Kritika. Good. Simple line and is very good. Teeth are good. Everything is good. Yeah.
I'm Advik.
Yeah, short. Okay, Advik, that's it. So simple and good. Very good.
Thank you, sir.
So can I show my?
Yeah, short. Okay, perfect. Yeah, simple and good. Okay, so who else? Anvita.
Sir, I didn't finish drawing.
Okay,
Sir, can we start the unicorn?
okay. Anvita, it is looking good. Looks good, Anvita. That is all. The nose has become a little big, but it's all right actually. So that is all. Okay, so watch this. So I'm going to start the unicorn. So unicorn
The
also.
full body, sir?
Full body, yeah. So just watch this, okay? Watch, or start drawing. You can start drawing. You can draw a little faster. So for the body, okay, this is the body. For the body, I'm making a simple this for the body. Okay, simple oval for the body. For the upper part of the body, now itself I'm making a small correction, making the shape like this. Okay, so the upper part of the body is going to be like this. So look at the shape correction, and this is what. And the head is going to be simple. It is simple. So now I'm just making basic shape only. The head is going to be like this. Neck is going to come like this, okay? This line and this curve. This for the neck. So you should approach in the same way, whatever diagram drawings you do, then it's going to be very easy. And let's have simple lines for the legs positions. This is this is for one leg. This is for another leg. Here I'm making another line. So one more leg. So you don't worry about it. We will do it later. Maybe one more line will be something like this. Here the leg will come like this. Like this. So we'll make a boy or girl sit here. It's going to be this is the body of the boy or girl, and his or her leg is going to be like this. It's the body and this is the leg. This is how we can get the proportions. Okay, head also we can draw. Head, a simple line for the face, then small curve for the head. So far I've used only lighter lines. Okay. For you know how to draw the head details. It's going to be one circle like this and one more smaller one. So I'm going to, let's start. So I'm going to cut this. I'm just making a line here. Okay, then I make this curve for the face, for the jaw. Here I make one more line, forehead, and another line. These all we know. So the third term we are drawing, small curve. Then we have to do this. Shape, nostrils. For the eye, I just simply make a line like this. This is good. We know how to draw the ears. This is the unicorn. So unicorn, what does it have? It has a horn from the forehead. Okay, so that goes like this. So making these two lines. And it has a small spiral and shape, and so making these lines, that makes it look like spiral. Then I can draw the, drawing the hair is easy. Make lots of S curves, these hair lines. The neck is very big, so kind of not going to do here. I'm going to do here below the mouth. Here it comes. Then here I'm going to make a curve. I'm making this curve here.
Finished, sir.
Okay. Okay, so let's do drawing legs. It's going to be real easy. And in the middle of each leg, right? So the middle of this line, so I'm going to make a small circle for the knee. This circle for the knee. Only for the legs in the front. So the upper leg is going to be real simple. Okay, the upper leg, look at this. I'm going to draw this line. Okay, so this curve, the upper leg is going to be bigger like this. Then I make this line. So this is upper leg. Okay, so not only for this, for the other thing also, the upper leg has this nice curve, very muscular and very big. So this upper leg, maybe I can make it still bigger. Yeah. So the lower leg, one line is like this, it is thin. The horseshoes, right? So those are very special and those are very easy. Like I draw a line like this. Okay, then after that I make a kind of V. Look at this, I make something like this. I make a V. Then I simply connect it to the knee. That's all. So this is how we make the leg. So this portion probably we can make it dark. Okay, so this is important. So I can draw this again for you. Watch this. So for the horseshoes, this is the line. Okay. Then after that, in the back, okay, I can make a V, something like this. Then this line goes up. This line also goes at this angle. So this is how we make this horseshoes. Okay, so the leg in the front, what happens? It is folding actually. See, look at this. It is folding. The horse is folding like this. So when it folds, then same way, the V comes like this. Then again, this line goes like this. So legs in the back is more curvy. Okay, so here also in the knee, like it is this. I don't draw a circle, but this is a point. So in this point, so I'm making a simple. Look at this simple curve here actually. Okay, I just made a simple curve here. Then so these upper leg is more bigger actually. So another curve here. Okay, and this line comes straight. So make sure that the leg in the front and leg in the back are of same height. Okay, or horizontally the same length, same level they have to be. Making the horseshoe is same. Just make this V in the back, and again make this line, make this line, give a shade. So one more last leg for this. Also, I'm going to do almost similar. Make this V, make this line. Here also there are nice curves. So there's one of the curve is like this. Now what happens to the body line? So the body line goes like this. So here, this line gets connected to this leg. This one more leg goes in the back. So I'm just trying to give some full shading for the leg in the back. Also the front leg also we can try to shade it. So I'm giving shading for the leg in the other side for both. Okay, so trying to adjust a little bit for the back side. Small correction I have done. This, so we can do this hair also in the tail. We can make nice curves like this. So this not only unicorn not only has the horn in the front, it has wings also. So we have to make big wings. So we have to make big wings. So I can draw something like this. I'm just making a simple curve. Making a simple curve, and this line goes to the back. Another curve. This line also goes to the back like this. So I'm drawing double line, more line, and one more line. Some feathers like things we can do. Just these curves we can add it. Can draw some more line and simple curves. Okay, like this we can add it. This looks like one big wing. There could be one more also. I can simply add like this. Simply add only a line. Okay, maybe another line. I'm not going to give details for that. This boy or girl, I can draw the hand like this. holding the horse. So now it looks like, so in the, I can simply draw like this with the front of the hand. The legs are important.
Sir,
Ah, yes, Kanda.
if when the second wing we can add details if we want.
Yeah, you can add details if you want. The drawing the leg is simple. For the human leg, also for the knee, you can draw this small circle for the knee. Then after that, you can draw the leg like this. The lower leg is like horse leg only. Look at this. You can draw like this. There's a triangle you can draw like this. This is the triangle for the leg. Okay, like a shoe. This is a triangle for the leg. Then we can simply draw another line like this. Okay, so if it is a boy, then I add trousers like this. You can trouser and you can give a shading. So now he's looking like a boy. And to make it as a girl, you can add this hair also like this. So floating hair and the skirt also I'll make it a little bigger. This thing. Now it looks like a girl because I just did a skirt and just added this hair. Dress also I can give some shading. Okay.
Please, sir.
Okay, show it. So I'm also done. So that is all.
Sir, I am also done.
Oh, very good. So fast. Okay, Uttara looks good, but looks like some planning issue. So look at this, the legs, why it is coming so very much in the front. So you have to plan with the simple lines. You need to plan and correctly, and the leg in the back is wrong. So the leg in the other side, there are two legs, right? So one is correct, and one more direction is totally wrong. Okay, so that you need to take care. Otherwise, wings are good. Unicorn, the horn is good. Everything is good. Leg in the other side has a problem. Okay, so that keep that in mind. Okay.
Sir, can I?
Yeah, I'm seeing from Anvita. Okay, very good, very good. Nalla irukku Anvita, perfect.
Thank you,
Sir,
Okay, so I hope you don't have space, otherwise wing can be bigger.
yes, sir.
Okay, good work. Good
Sir,
work.
sir,
Yes.
can I show my drawing?
Yeah, show it. So I keep seeing, so you can show it, anyone. Okay, so this is good. Skanda, the body has become a little bigger, I guess. That's all right. Right? So the body has become a little bigger. So that you need to correct it. But it's okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, not to worry.
I correct that now.
Okay.
Sir, I'm done, sir. Advik.
Show it, Advik.
Yes.
Oh, very beautiful. Okay.
Second, this one.
Okay, very nice, very nice. Both are looking very nice. Looks very good, Advik. I'm happy to see that. Yeah.
sir, can I show?
Yes, Kritika. Okay. Okay. The head also you can make it a little darker for the girl. The legs are good. So the in the back, leg in the back, you need to make it a little darker. Okay, good work. And the tail also you can make it darker. Okay, good, nice work, good work.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, I finished my corrections.
Is it? Okay, show it. Okay, okay. Sir, okay, nalla.
Nandri, sir.
Okay, Kritika.
Sir, can I show?
Yes, Girina. Okay, good work, good work. Very nice. Um, very nice. The wings are also good.
Next drawing. No.
Very good. So I'm interested to see all the girls have drawn girls and boys have drawn boys. Very nice.
Sir?
Okay.
We're doing next drawing.
Yes, yes. I think we have seen from Advik, Skanda, everyone has shown. Anvita also has shown, I guess.
We are drawing next drawing. Like
Uttara, wait, wait. I'm talking to people. Don't disturb. Don't talk in between. So I have to see everyone, right? Then only I have to. So did you do the corrections? What I told you? Okay. I guess I've seen from all of you. Then let's do the next drawing. So next, I thought I'll do some elephant, but we have less time. So I'm going to first I'm going to make a simple elephant, and this is this is a symbol in 1982 Olympics. No, not in Olympics. It's Asian Games. Asian Games. It is called Apu elephant. So I'm not sure if anyone of you know this Apu elephant, but let's do it quickly. Um, so this is the body of the elephant. So I'm making lighter lines. Okay, note that I'm making lighter line and
Are we going to draw the whole body of the elephant?
yeah, this is the body of the elephant.
Okay, sir.
Okay, you can start drawing. You can start drawing. This is a lighter line. This is the head of the elephant. Draw these two. So it's a like a comic one. It is called the Apu elephant. It is the mascot for or mascot or logo or symbol for Asian Games 1982 Delhi Asian Games.
Finish, sir.
Okay. Okay, so then so I'm going to draw the leg like this. Look at this in the bottom. So making this line, this for the leg and the top. So I'm going to make another line. Okay, then so it's going to come like this. So one leg like that, and this one more leg goes like this. And these hands come like this. So it's going to be one hand. This is going to be another hand. In the head, it's going to be one curve and another curve. And there is another bigger line. This for the ear. Here also another bigger line for the ear. So it has a bindi sun-like symbol. It has. I'm going to draw the eyes. This is one eye. This is another eye. Making the dot in the right side, it's going to look at the right side. So maybe, yeah, your parents might know this image. This image is very popular in those days, and I used to draw in during my school days. So this is one tusk. Okay, this trunk is going to go like this. In the end, you can draw like this. So now I'm completing this ear and completing this ear and hand, and there is a tail also.
Finish, sir.
Okay, show it.
Okay, sir.
Sir, that's all, sir.
Yeah, that is all. Okay, looks good, Uttara. Very good. Quickly you have done. Nicely done. Good work.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Can I leave, sir?
Yeah, you can leave. So I'll show the homework.
Sir? Sir?
Yes, Skanda.
I finished drawing.
Okay. So there are going to be two homework.
Sir, can you show the drawing?
Okay, okay. Just a minute, just a minute. See, this is going to be one homework. Look at the Saint Maximus horse, right? So you can look at the video and work on. This is going to be one homework. And one more homework is going to be these elephants going in the jungle. So look at this. So this is going to be one more homework. This elephant marching in the jungle. So this is from that movie Jungle Book. Okay, you can try to draw this. So these two homeworks, okay. So now after finishing your work, you can show it. Those who have completed, they can leave.
you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.
Sir? Sir?
Yes, Kanda, show it.
Okay.
Okay, nice. Looking very cute.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Sir,
Welcome.
can I show my?
Yes, Kirina. Okay, good. Nice, good shape. Okay, looks good.
Sir, can I
Bye,
show?
sir.
Yeah.
Sir, can I show?
Yes, Kritika. Okay, good. Nice. So the darker lines and lighter lines. Okay, you have done nicely. Okay, good work. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Sir, can I show Advik?
Yes, Advik. Okay, perfect. Looking good, Advik. You are drawing very good.
Thank you, sir.
Good work. Yeah.
Bye, sir.
Okay, bye. Okay, I'm seeing from Anvita. Anvita, நல்லா இருக்கு. So the first leg க்கு வந்து the line what you have drawn அது கொஞ்சம் கீழே போட்டுட்டீங்கன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். So it is looking good. Also it looks like it is going to kick a ball. So that way it is looking good. So அது ஒண்ணுதான் ஒரு difference. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Good sketch. நல்லா பண்ணிருக்கீங்க. Very good. Okay.